Ooh.
I love it.
I hit the wall again. I mean, this is my third time painting a room and like actually trying to do a decent job. I can see why painting costs so much money. That could potentially be a problem. Oh, found it. Crisis averted. Very nice. Yeah, this is the color we were actually going for, not the bright pistachio you see on the walls. This is nice.
Muy bien.
Ah, okay. Let's get this paint. Shoot.
Yeah.
That's the color.
Yeah.
That's the color. All right. I got a new 3-inch trim/edge brush to cut in like the professionals do. So I'm super excited. Let's see. Lovely, lovely. All right, let me not get paint on anything. Ah, yeah. And luckily, because I just did this paint project 2 weeks ago, I still have the tape up. Oh, party foul. Yeah, this is a game changer. I am fangirling over this brush. I'm trying so hard. This has to be my 6th time saying it, but this brush Game changer. Thirsty and hungry. Okay, we are done with the first coat. It is about 4 o'clock, and I said I wanted to be done with the total project by 4 o'clock, but we didn't get that. I got to do another coat. Hopefully that takes me about an hour or two, and then we're gonna put everything back in here and do a final view of this second paint job for this room before we even stop. 4:02, 6 o'clock. Okay, we are finished. Second coat done. I said I wanted to be done with this project by 4. It's like 4:50, so I think I'm gonna call it a win. I think we like this color this time, yeah?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, well, next shot is the final beautiful picture.